This is wonderful news. We're just over the moon happy.
New developments tonight in the fight to free a Jacksonville man convicted of the double murders of a couple inside of a Camden County church in 1985. Now, the Georgia Parole Board has voted to tentatively grant parole to Dennis Perry, and he could be released as early as September.
It's an act of mercy for a man who has been in prison for 20 years for something that he did not do, has maintained his innocence, that new DNA evidence and the facts support that he did not do this. It's a good day, not only for the Swain family, but it's also a great day for Dennis Perry.
Suzanne Baugh's cousin, Dennis Perry, has spent 2 decades in prison for a crime she says he did not commit: the murders of Harold and Thelma Swain inside the small Camden County church.
There is now DNA evidence that has been tested from eyeglasses and hair that was found at the scene back in 1985 that links this murder to a different person and excludes Mr. Perry from being a possible suspect.
The Georgia Bureau of Investigation reopened the Swain murder case in May after Perry's legal team filed a motion for a new trial based on that new DNA evidence. This week, Perry received a letter of clemency from the parole board.
What that means is it's a type of parole. It is not you're free or exonerated. It means that he will have to meet certain conditions, but it does mean that he gets out. It is very unusual. We are very grateful that the parole board listened to the evidence. They listened to his family.
The parole board's decision is tentative, and Perry's family is continuing to push for his immediate release. The 58-year-old is in prison in Coffee Correctional Facility, where 177 inmates have tested positive for COVID-19.
We want him free and we want him healthy. And we feel like right now, time is of the essence, as you say, because of COVID.
Now, Perry's hearing for a motion for a new trial is scheduled for July 13th in Glenn County. The Brunswick District Attorney's Office sent a statement today to First Coast News saying that the GBI investigation is ongoing and that it would be irresponsible to Perry and the Swain family to make conclusions about this case prior to having all the facts and an opportunity for a hearing.